Come test drive the 2018 Lacrosse. The Buick Lacrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, leather shift knob, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.